Okay, so in this second example, we're going to do the same thing, which is elimination. And what we're checking for is that the x's line up, the y's line up, the equal signs line up, and the constants line up. We could actually solve this pretty easily by substitution because this x could be solved for by itself easily by subtracting 5y, but let's try elimination. Elimination would probably be easier for this problem. Elimination is awesome because by adding two equations together, we are eliminating a variable. So when you add, if you don't get rid of a variable, something went wrong. We want to see that the same number with different signs is in front of either the x's or the y's. In this particular problem, we have different numbers in front of the x's, but in front of the y's, we have a 5y and a negative 5y. So when we add, those drop off. Remember, if there's nothing in front of a variable, it's a 1, so x plus 5 or 4x is 5x. And this side, 9 plus negative 14 is negative 5. So all we do is divide by 5 and we get our first solution of negative 1. All you're going to do now is plug that into one of the equations. It does not matter which one you pick. Pick the easiest one. This one seems pretty easy. So you're going to take out the x and replace it with the negative 1. So negative 1 plus 5y is equal to 9. We're going to solve this and get 5y is equal to 10. And then y is equal to 2. Our last step is to write it as an ordered pair. Now, you've neglected to say on the last problem, when you are done, you can substitute those into both equations and see if it's true. Is negative 1 plus 5 times 2, which is 10, is negative 1 plus 10, 9? Yes. And 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Minus 5 times 2 is negative 10. So 4 minus 10, that is negative 14, so it works out. You know you're correct. So the homework today is super simple. Please do it. It will take you a very short time. I try to walk you through how to do the elimination problems. We're starting with the super easy ones.